This is part 1 of my series, 10 Ways to Make Money from Your Songwriting. Stick around. Hey, I'm Tamatha Lene, indie artist, songwriter, and a new mom. And on this channel, it's all things music and all things mommyhood. I post videos every Wednesday on mommyhood and every Friday on music. So definitely subscribe if either of those things interest you. And if they both do, well then, boom, double the fun. I did a series earlier this year called How to Become a Professional Songwriter Faster. That deals more with how to improve your songwriting skills, how to actually become a good songwriter that can lead to becoming a professional songwriter. But first you need to sharpen your skills as a songwriter and just really get into the craft of songwriting. And that's what that deals with. Definitely watch that also. If not, watch that first. It's 5 different videos. This is less about how to be a better songwriter and more about once you have the skills of being a good songwriter, how do you make money from those songs? Just going to go through a list of different ways that you can make money from your songwriting, different avenues that you may or may not have thought of or heard of before. But I just want to lay them out there, and then I'll have different links to the things that I'm talking about so that you can investigate and go even more in depth. I'll have those links down in the description box. So let's dive right in to the first way that you can make money from your songwriting, and that is a publishing deal. Getting a publishing deal is kind of like getting a record deal. You're signed to a label or signed to a publishing company, and they will pair you up with different producers and different songwriters to write for different artists that they feel that would be a good match for your songwriting style. A lot of people that have publishing deals are just put into a room sometimes and they write with people that they've never written with before. But the nice thing about a publishing deal is depending on how highly sought after you are, you can have a signing bonus, just like different artists that are signed to record deals sometimes are given an upfront signing bonus. So you can have money to live off of while you're waiting for your songs to make money from radio play and from royalties and things like that. They'll pay you up front to be able to live off of your signing bonus while you're writing these songs. So there's other legal implications and things like that with the ownership of the songs and just who has the rights to them with publishing deals that you really want to be careful about and be knowledgeable about. But I definitely feel like if you really want to write songs for other artists, a publishing deal is a really great way to be able to kind of get into that avenue, to be able to meet lots of different songwriters and also to be in the room with people that are really making things happen for projects that are definitely, in production and going to be rolled out. Publishing deal is tip number 1 for how you can make money as a songwriter, a publishing deal.